So you're trying to upload the newest and the trendiest movie clips on YouTube, but unfortunately you get a copyright claim in your video, especially if you put too much effort on the video, from conception, scripting, and editing. But, in today's video, I brought a new method for you, so you can use it to upload movie clips on YouTube without getting any copyright claim using Python. And this method is absolutely for free, where I will walk you through step by step on every action you need to take. Also, I will work on a movie clip in front of you, so you can see the proof of my strategy. And by the way, because we are using Python programming language to make these kinds of videos, I just want to mention, you don't need to have any sort of coding skills to make this bot that I'll show you soon. Where this Python bot will play the role of a video editor software, such as adding background music, color effect, mixing videos, increasing, decreasing the volume, and so much more. So if you want to know all this stuff, you need only to hit the damn like button, and subscribe as well if you're not. And maybe you can leave a comment below. Now, let's get straight to work. So if we take a look at this small YouTube channel, flash recap, you can obviously see, it doesn't have too many subscribers, and the owner of this YouTube channel started uploading the videos 5 months ago, and he's getting a huge amount of views, which is insane. For more analytics, this small YouTube channel is making at least 1K to 2K every single month. Now let's see how we can make like these exact same videos. First step, go to boxofficemojo.com, where you can spy and track the latest news about movies. Or you can click on indices, and check the best movies till now. So use Box Office Mojo to get inspiration about the movies you will work on. Second step, I want you to pick 3 to 5 clips from YouTube. For this video, I will make a small movie clip about Spider-Man No Way Home, and specially about the scene when the 3 Spider-Mans meet each other. Third step, go imdb.com, and type the movie that you are working on. Scroll down a little until you find plot synopsis. So this whole section talks about the most important scenes that happen in the movie. In my case, I'll pick this paragraph since it talks about the 3 clips I chose. So I want you to copy the paragraph, and go to spinbot.com. Paste the text here, and click on Basic Spin. So this tool will rewrite the whole text into new form of content, so we can avoid any copyright against us. So now we need to turn this text into voiceover. You can use your own voice if you prefer that, if not, go to flicky.ai. And click on Start Creating. Create a new file, and name it with whatever you like, just make sure to pick the audio only option. So if we click here, Flicky provides you various voices with different languages and genders. Now copy the new text, and put it here. After that, click on Export.
And MJ find their Parker who was ameliorated by M. They are subsequently joined by Octavia's likable inclinations.
As you can see, the audio clip is clean, and we can download it now. So this is the Python bot that we'll be using to make the movie clip, and you will find it on my GitHub repository, so make sure to check the description below where I'll leave the link of this bot. Now, once you download it, I want you to grab the audio clip, and put it in this audio folder. Make sure to name the audio clip like mine, audio.mp3. Also, download a background song without copyright, and name it, music.mp3. This folder scenes, is where the Python bot is going to store the 3 clips I chose, and you're going to see what I mean later. And for the last files, is where I made the scripts that make the movie clips. So in order to use this bot, you should first download Python. So go to this link, and download the latest version of Python. The second thing you need to download is a text editor. So type this link, and download Visual Studio Code. This text editor supports multi-operation systems, like Windows, Linux, and Mac. Once you are done with this step, go back to the folder, and click on the path, then type, cmd. So now, we will write a basic command to open Visual Studio Code. Type, code, space, and dot. Now our VS Code will open. And these are the folders, and the files of our Python bot. Now click on this file, movie.py. You can see these bunch of codes here that may ruin your mind, but no worries, you will understand everything you need to know. Now I want you to open cmd, and type pip install, pytube. So here the pytube library will be installed. After that, we need to install another library called moviep. So type again, pip install, moviep. Now all the requirements are installed, and we are ready to use this bot. Now, I want you to click on this file, listscenes.json. In this file, we need to add the link of our clip videos. For me, I'll add the 3 videos I chose, and you can add more videos if you want, it's up to you. After that, click on the last file movie.py. So you should know here, in this section, is about downloading the YouTube videos. And for this line, you can play with it. For example, you can download the videos by the resolution you would like, but I'll keep it 720 pixel. And for the next section, is about everything with editing the videos. So here the only thing you can play around with, is this function. Where it cuts each video, from 0.25 seconds, to 15.25 seconds, I made it too short, so it matches the audio clip. For this one, it's about a color effect I added, so the clip becomes different from the original one. And this function is going to mix the 3 videos into one complete video. For the rest of the scripts, they are all about adding the background music, and the audio clip to the video. If you want to know more details about this stuff, you can just check this documentation, where they explain everything about MovieP library, and they provide great examples so you can clearly understand what every function does. I'll leave the link of this doc in the description as well. Now, let's run the bot. So in order to run our script, go back to CMD, and type, python, movie.py. So our bot will simply start downloading the 3 videos we provided, and cutting the parts we need from each clip, then mix them up into one complete video. Also, we don't forget that the script will add the background song, and the audio clip. As you can see, our movie clip is almost done. Let's check the video now.
Leeds and MJ find their Parker, who was ameliorated by MJ, in the wake of learning of May's demise. He then, at that point, meets the other Bugmen, who share their own accounts of losing friends and family and urge him to battle in May's respect. They participate on relieving the leftover lowlifes and draw them to the sculpture of freedom. Leeds and MJ safeguard the first tie spell by Peculiar as the Bugmen fight their foes together. As the 3 insect men battle, they choose to design an organized assault on the lowlifes. They are subsequently joined by Octavius, and they figure out how to overcome and fix Connors, Dylan, and Marco after an extensive fight, with Dylan accommodating with his universe's Spider-Man and his urge to leave his despicable inclinations.
Okay guys, that was a quick video, because I picked just a small scene from the movie to show you the process, but as you can see, we were able to make a movie clip within minutes. If you put some time and effort into it, you will absolutely make one more professional. Now let's try to upload the video. I'm going to speed up the video, so we can get to the part where YouTube checks the copyright. And here we go, the check's complete, and no issues found. That means this method works. If you use it the right way, it should be, like I showed you now. So if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up,